Here we have all the in order: exhaust side, intake size, and also we bought 4 new one. So that's the new one. You can't compress. There's the cap. There's the cap over there. See the extended position. And if you try to compress, it won't go anywhere. It is filled with oil. We're going to fill all this with oil, and then we're going to bleed oil out before we install. Two opinions. Some people think we should fill with oil before we install, and some people say we should get oil out before we install. I'm going to just immerse them with oil, and then I'm going to fill with oil, and then I'm going to get oil out before installation. With no oil, nothing inside, it's squeezy. So we're going to pump in the oil and make it fill with oil, and then we're going to bleed oil out. We can use a pin, get into this hole, get into the top hole, and open the valve. Without the pin, we pump until it's solid. So now it's filled with oil. So we're going to use the pin to release the oil. We can do this 2 or 3 times. It's solid again. We can't compress, but if we have the pin inside, got the bowl, and then we can compress. We'll do another time. So it's solid again. We're going to release the oil with a pin. To make sure no oil left, otherwise the oil will get in again. So now it's squeezable, and then we're going to install like this. All the tappets, we're going to do the same. Merge it into the oil and pump. 5, 6, 7, 8. Some of them pump about 7 or 8 times. It's going to fill with oil. This one seems difficult to pump. Seems oil not get in. So we're going to let the oil get in by using this. Now it's solid. So if we push the valve, get the valve now. We push, so it's okay. We remove the ring here. That's the ring. press, see the oil coming out. Now I have all the tappets ready, and for this engine, so we have this replaced with new. This is a intake side. From here, exhaust size. Exhaust side, this one, this one, this one are now new, and all other systems okay. I have immersed them with oil, pump oil in to the tappets, and then get oil out from the tappets. So they are ready to be installed.